Hi everybody, today I'm going to try a DIY glow stick in a jar. So what you need is a mason jar or some sort of jar like this with a lid on it, which you can get anywhere. You can get from pound shops, you can get from eBay, lots of different places. And also a pack of glow sticks. I've got this 18 pack of glow bands. You can get these from the pound shops as well. So here goes. Right, what you need is also some gloves on, because the stuff inside the glow sticks is, well, I'm not sure if it's actually toxic, but it's not good for small children. Yeah, this liquid is dangerous, so always make sure you wear some gloves. And as you can see inside here, oh dear, there's lots of glow sticks with all the connectors to them, which I've just dropped all over the floor. Great. So there's all the glow sticks. Now I've got to decide which colour I'm going to use. Now as you can see, the room has gone a little bit darker because I need you to see how these glow sticks work. This is the first time I'm trying it, so let's hope it goes okay. Cross fingers. You need to break the glow sticks first to activate them before you cut them to put them in the jar. So we'll just activate this one. Cut the bottom off of the glow stick so all the liquid then goes into the bowl. So please make sure you are doing this with the glow stick actually in the bowl. Do not take it out of the bowl. And some of this is tough plastic, so make sure you've got some glasses or goggles on. I've obviously got my glasses on to protect me. And do it as close down as possible in case you get any spillage. And then the liquid should come out. They're all activated. Just got to try and get the liquid out now. So make sure this one's activated. Cut it, and hopefully all the liquid will come out. Just got to keep pressing and squeezing to get the liquid out. I've got a couple in here that broke off that I need to get out. Oh, there's another bit there. It is a bit of a messy job, to make sure you have got your gloves on. And squeeze it. If you just keep squeezing and shaking like that, the liquid will eventually come out. Summer's obviously on my hands. But just keep shaking it in the bowl and squeezing for the bits to come in the bowl. As you can see, we're still cutting them and still shaking them in the jars. It does take a bit of a while with some of them, and just be careful because it can go all over you, because I've splashed Jessica. Liquid kind of just gradually comes out, so this is where you think it's not working. But it is. Still a bit of liquid in these two. That one has actually gone on my glove, so I will just try and squeeze it into the bowl. Oops. It is a bit time consuming, as you can see. So there's a little bit of liquid come out of that one now. I've cut it again. Just keep bending them. That one's nearly done. Oops. I think there's still a bit of liquid. I'll try cutting this one again. When you do this, don't do this over a worktop that you can't wipe down and things. And wear some old clothes would be best. We'll crack the other one. Any more out of them. Bit more on this one. As you can see, there's a bit more liquid coming out of that. Just keep tapping them and cutting them, and the liquid will eventually come out. Like with this one. End result. I think this one needs cutting again. A load of red glow sticks and one yellow glow stick. Turn it upside down and get the glow stick liquid to keep making more and more patterns. You see? So that's the glow stick in a jar video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I see you very soon. Bye.